Hey lovelies, it's Wanna Boss Collective, and today I'm going to be filming the Be Your Own Resource Part 20. So we're going to be talking about the guide to social media strategies. So I've got 10 different strategies that help me to be able to make the best content that I can make, and these help me in different ways, so you guys can follow all of them or try one at a time and see what works best for you. And yeah, so let's get started. So number 1, define your target audience, understand your target audience and their needs, and make content that resonates with them and increases your chance of engagement and viewership. So make sure that if you're making videos about fashion, that you are making the type of videos that do the best for your audience. Number 2, build a content plan. Prioritize your brand's objectives and research the competition, so that if, let's say you're Torrid and you're competing with H&M, you want to be able to make sure that you are looking at how they're marketing and looking at how much they charge for their products, as well as the quality of the products as well. So number 3, create content that provides value to your viewers and comes in 4 different forms. So make sure it's inspirational, entertainment, enlightenment, and education. This is going to help you get multiple types of viewership, and not your engagement won't tank from making the exact same kind of content every single day, because that can get boring. So number 4, schedule your content, which is something I've been getting better at. Schedule at least a week or a month in advance, and that way you can take the time that you need to look your best, feel your best, and make your best content. Make sure you're uploading at least once a week, if not 3 to 5 times. Number 5, optimize videos for search, keywords and titles, descriptions, and add call to actions to your videos. So if you want them to go and look for a product, you got to mention it, and you're going to tell them where they can find it. Number 6, engage with your audience and respond to comments and answer questions. Interact with your audience as if they're your best friend, because they're the ones who are going to be purchasing from you. They're the ones who are going to be engaging with your videos, and so the more that they like you and the more you connect with them, the more they will support you. Number 7, utilize influencer marketing and partner with popular YouTubers, TikTokers, Instagram, whatever it is that you know that's going to help your channel. But work with them and see if you can't get some of their viewers to come over to yours. But make sure that you're going to, people with similar audiences, because if you have 200,000 subscribers and they have 1 million, they might not think it's worthwhile for them to be on your channel because they have like 5 times the audience than you do. So number 8, invest in paid advertising. Consider YouTube paid advertising options. This can help you if you're just starting out, or also if you're an advanced creator and you want some of that content that you work so hard on to get noticed more. Number 9, conduct YouTube experiments and see how effective connected TV could be for your audience. So try to do different thumbnails, try to do different different videos to see what does the best. Number 10, measure your results and utilize YouTube analytics. Make sure you're looking over what's working, what's not working, what's your top videos every month, what's your top monetization. Put your best efforts into making videos that will succeed, and then also making the videos you want to make. So make sure that it's a 50-50 ratio, so that You're not always making every single video that you want to make personally, just for yourself, and you're also not just making content that they want to see, because gonna make it 50-50, because if you don't do that, you're going to get bored and you're going to also get burnt out. So the next thing is where is the best place to find new YouTube strategies? Through Medium, Notion templates, and other YouTube creators. Other YouTube creators have talked about it. All you have to do is go on YouTube and type in new YouTube strategies or new growth strategies. And yeah, so examples would be Sarah Dietschy and Amy Landino. They have some strategies for you guys if you're interested. So that's part 20. And like I said, if you guys want physical copies of these, you can get it on my Notion template or on my YouTube masterclass. Just ate dinner, so made homemade stew actually. Didn't turn out like it usually does, but that's okay. It's fun to experiment. I feel like I'm starting to feel better and starting to feel like trying new things and experimenting with, making new foods and things. So I'm excited. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it was informative, and yeah, keep watching, and I'll see you guys in tomorrow's video. Tomorrow's video is going to be about the top YouTube growth routines. So things that YouTubers do to make a routine out of their everyday schedules. So I hope you guys are prepared. And if you've missed out on any of the 20 videos I've made so far, make sure to go on my playlist, Be Your Own Resource, and it's right on the main page of my main channel. So you can check that out. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.